Hi guys, so today I'm gonna discuss with you what happens to your body when you drink one glass of celery juice every morning. Celery juice has received tons of attention as a superfood, with more and more people supporting the claims that celery juice helps combat several illnesses including high cholesterol and inflammation. Is celery truly beneficial enough to be called a superfood? Find out in this video, so make sure to keep watching. Going back, celery is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Juicing in general tends to get a bad rap since there isn't much scientific evidence showing that the juice is better than eating whole foods. In fact, it may be worse. How about drinking celery juice first thing in the morning then? What do you think will happen? Helps decrease blood pressure. High blood pressure can lead to several diseases. Celery contains a phytochemical that relaxes the tissues of the artery walls. This leads to increased blood flow, thus may other blood pressure. So what are you waiting for? Drink up. Number 1. Prevent some chronic diseases. The bad thing about some chronic diseases is that they don't have one perfect cure or even the cause. Fortunately, by drinking celery juice every morning, you may reduce your risk of such diseases. This is mostly thanks to the high levels of flavonoids in celery. Number 2. It reduces inflammation. The word inflammation always comes with a negative connotation. These days, you can now avoid to reduce inflammation by eating certain foods. Inflammation plays a major role in some degenerative diseases like diabetes and cancer. Celery carries unique anti-inflammatory properties to help combat inflammation. Number 3. Aids with digestion. Many celery juice fanatics are probably into this healthy drink because of how it improves digestion. Although there are not enough studies and research to back this claim, eating vegetables can indeed help with your digestion. Celery juice alone may not be much, but it can still help to some degree. Number 4. More energized. Do you always drink coffee in the morning to give you the energy boost you need? Did you know that there is a healthier alternative to this? And by that, we mean drinking a glass of celery juice. Doing so can give you energy. Not to mention, it's a packed with so many nutrients and vitamins to help kickstart your day. Number 5. Keeps you hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for your health. One way to ensure this is to drink celery juice every day. Thanks to its high water content, what's more, your body gets tons of vitamins and minerals that improve your body functions. Number 6. Avoid bloating. Bloating can be frustrating and make you feel awful. Many products can help reduce bloat, but only very few are natural. With celery juice, you can reduce your bloated tummy while staying healthy. Celery is a natural diuretic and can help the liver flush toxins. It isn't a magic cure by far, but it's a good start to living a healthier life. With the growing number of people going for celery juice these days and our present evidence of its benefits, there is no reason for you not to include this in your morning routine. Celery juice is a healthy and nutritious option for those who enjoy it. Share your thoughts about this in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And stay tuned for more interesting hacks. Bye bye.